The Computer Center for Visually Impaired People at Baruch College, City University of New York, product demonstration.
Hi, this is Lynette Tatum with the Computer Center for Visually Impaired People. I'm senior instructor here, and I'm here with Gus,
Hi.
the coordinator of our demonstration center. And today he's going to demonstrate the Pearl from Freedom Scientific. Thank you.
Thanks, Lynn.
You're welcome.
So the Pearl is a new camera or a new scanning system that Freedom Scientific introduced earlier in 2010. And this is it right here. As you can see, it looks very much like a
Almost like a
desk lamp.
Yeah,
you know, desk lamp. And it's got the camera is at it's perpendicular to the desk, to the table, whatever. And there's a guide at the bottom where it helps you place your documents or whatever you're going to be scanning in this particular instance. To operate the Pearl, you need OpenBook 9, which is the OCR, optical character recognition software that Freedom Scientific manufactures. So the two work together to do this really cool scanning feature, or some really cool scanning features, and it's reputed to do up to 20 pages per minute, which for scanning an OCR is pretty high.
Absolutely.
Okay, so I'm gonna actually do a single page first, and then I'll do something that's called automatic something.
Feed?
Something like automatic feed, and I can't remember what it's
We'll
actually
hear it in the
called
menu.
yet.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go to OpenBook.
OpenBook 40-minute demo. File edit. View. Acquire. Workflow. Acquire and read checked.
By the way, acquire is the term they're using for scan.
Yeah.
Acquire mail so multi-page automatic.
Okay, multi-page automatic is the thing that I was talking about, but right now we're going to
acquire image only. Acquire and read checked.
Acquire and read. Okay, cool. So that's the one that's selected.
Acquire.
That's the one we want. And I have here one of our very own catalogs. No plug.
Really? Oh, but why?
Huh? I'm kidding. It's a plug.
Okay, good.
And I just place it. I place it at the bottom of the scanner, basically using the metal guide to position the paper in the right way. And then I hit the F4 key, which is the acquire button, and hopefully it'll work.
This is where Gus and I make scintillating conversation.
Yes. We start humming.
That's correct. And now I can say, oh, it's acquire and read and not acquire of voices. Boo!
Something's not happening here.
Okay.
What? Well, this is good. It's good for us to know.
Yeah,
this
it
what
is.
It does, yeah.
I've listened to a few demonstrations of this, and
Leaving menus.
Oh, it was in
again
the menu.
with
That's
the
what
leaving menus, folks. Press the Alt key first.
I did. I thought I did. Well,
okay, well,
it's okay.
that's it for.
It's getting ready. Yes.
Ah, you know, that's an interesting sound,
because
that's usually the sound I hear when when I can't do something.
Ah.
So that's
yes,
a little.
It's very interesting.
Yeah.
Well, one thing that I found when I was playing with this earlier is if I start the acquisition or the scanning and then I stop
acquisition canceled,
and then I start it again, it usually works a little faster.
Okay.
And we should hear a snapshot. There we go.
There we go.
Table of Co. Getting started. Free OpenH exploring Wisconsin Windows. Zoom text Clinic Magic Clinic JAWS Clinic Computer Basics.
Okay.
Typing intro to computers, intro to Word, intro.
Okay, so it's reading our table of contents, or though it did refer to it as our table of Co.
And we're now located in Wisconsin.
Yes, that's very nice. So that's and now I have an open document on the desktop, or rather in OpenBook, and
top of document.
And I can go to the top.
Get free OpenH Zoom text free OpenH exploring Wisconsin Windows.
Wow.
Zoom text Clinic Magic Clinic JAWS Clinic Computer Basics. Type
So
keyboard.
I can navigate using my up and down arrow keys to go through the different items here.
Career exploration at job search weekend/weekday tech power seminars. Exploring the jobs and introduction to free screen readers media on the go demonstration center.
Okay, so
That's-
it's reading.
yeah.
It's reading some good
Yeah,
stuff
there
there.
is.
Okay. It also depends on the formatting that that the document has, and
The paper.
there's probably different ways to set the formatting up to do this. But for just today, we're doing like a little bit of a quick and dirty
Definitely.
kind of demo.
Please note
I'm
dialogue.
gonna close this particular scan.
No button.
saving
Document
it.
closed. New doc.
Okay, and then I'm gonna switch it so that it does this thing which is automatic acquisition. I really like it because
Fired a view. Acquire workflow. Acquire a multi-page automatic.
Presumably, you could do it for a book.
yes.
So
What it does is it automatically acquires the picture. So as I'm going through as if I scan the first page and then I flip it, and I don't have to press any further buttons. All it keeps acquiring, or it starts to
it starts to take a picture as soon
Yes.
as it sees motion.
Right, so it
which
has
may or
motion
may not
sensors,
be a
yes.
good thing, but
It has motion sensors that allow it to notice when something is being changed or shifted, and then it keeps taking the different, the new pictures of the newer pages.
Multi-page
Yes.
automatic. Leaving menus.
Okay, left menus. Okay, you heard that.
yeah, well,
So I'm back. I'm going to hit the F4. It said leaving menus, right?
I thought I heard that. Now, when you move your hand or something, be careful, because that's what happened when we were working with this. I think I shifted my hand or did something,
Oh, is that
and
what-
it detected motion and took another picture
File.
Oh,
of
right.
the
Leaving
same
menus.
page.
Exactly. I remember
Right.
that now. Yeah.
So,
Okay, let's try one more time. Ready?
ready.
F4.
Not even a
Oh,
so.
there it is.
Oh,
Table of 0.
Okay.
NTS.
That's the table of 0.
8.43.
So I'm going to
Idle
flip the
tip
page.
4. Lisi. Star IQ. Sire 3.
I don't know if it's speaking English there.
No. There we go.
It's code.
Yeah, it must be. And there we go. I'm only going to do a few pages.
If you get this third one, we're happy. All
One more.
right.
I'm going to do one more. One more.
Okay.
Ready? There we go. All right, two more. There we go.
Yeah, you're doing well,
The
Pearl.
last one.
Keep
well,
it
we'll
up.
see how it's doing
Well,
after we read
well,
it.
the camera part is doing its
That's
thing.
true. Yes. Okay, great. And then stop acquiring. I press F4.
Acquisition cancelled.
Great.
Top of document. Table of 0. NTS.
Table
A.
of 0.
Oh,
Page 2. V. Getting started. Free open house. Join us for a hands-on demonstration of computers equipped with large print and screen reading synthetic voice software.
That's
nice.
See our
very
training
good.
facilities and meet with instructors and staff.
Where's the rest?
Held Wednesday. 6/21.
Okay.
30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. 7/71. 30 p.m.
30 p.m.
3:30 p.m.
Oh,
What
got
time
it.
is that?
It's saying it's not reading the punctuation, so it's 1:30 to
Oh.
3:30.
Oh,
Right. So if you listen, right.
8/41. 30 p.m. 3.
Right.
Oh, yes, it said 8/4,
which is August 4th,
4th,
and
1,
it's 1:30.
30
so that's
p.m.
probably a
Okay.
setting that we have to change
Okay,
so that it reads
gotcha.
punctuation, but it got the information.
I like the
Page
way it
3.
read that first bit. Was
Pete
very
Adam
good.
Computer Class at CCVIP. Windows Seminar $60 one session and introduction to navigating Windows elements. Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday.
Okay, so that gives us a little calendar thing going there for when these classes are available. So this is the Pearl. It's available. It's a device manufactured through by Freedom Scientific, and is available for purchase now. And one thing you should know about it is you have to work. It works only with OpenBook 9. So if you have a
Yes.
version of OpenBook that is previous or older than 9, then you will not be able to use this device.
Right.
So you'll have to get an upgrade, which I think they have deals currently for. The camera itself, I think is about
$1,500.
I think it's about 12.
Oh, 12.
$1,195 or $1,200.
That sounds
The
right.
software is an additional $995, so
Right.
you're looking at an investment of about $2,100 to
Right.
have this working for you. But once you get it set up and it's functional, you can take this camera with you if you wanted to read things at school or if you wanted to read things in a meeting. This is definitely a nice portable system that folds down and is and fits into a nice little case.
Yes.
I think that covers everything
That
we wanted
does.
to cover about it, right? That's the Pearl. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon. The CCVIP demos are funded in part by the Aileen Royce Memorial Trust, New York Community Trust, and Reader's Digest Partners for Sight Foundation. Visit us at www.baruch.cuny.edu/CCVIP.